So again, I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas. This is Priscilla Batzell, I forgot to say, and at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This is almost dry. I'm going to take a chance on it and give myself a couple of puddles, few puddles. This is the Meeden black. I think I'm going to use some of what's left of my Anita's. It's always nice to try new things, because you never know what you might find that you like on the way to discovering other things. Especially, that's pretty cool. That's very cool. So, that's really not enough. So I'm going to put a little more black here. Right around that white, so I know I have enough. And then I'm just going to take the colors that I've been working with, I might add some orange, although I've been using copper today and it's been lovely. There isn't any in here. And I was going to just add it to the canvas, and I really could. But I kind of like the way it looks in the little dish. That's the Venetian blue, that's a Decor Americana copper, that's a pink diamond from Color Art, that's a new prism pour. I forgot the gold. That's okay. I can do something about that right now. I like having the residuals in the little dish. And only being able to use so much paint before I have to decide on what to do with it. I'm not using any white. I think the purple got left out, but that doesn't mean I can't add some in again. So I'll just do that right now. A little more gold. I haven't used my favorite purple today, which is my color shifting folk art purple flash, but I haven't added any orange, but like I said, the copper is working for me pretty well. I'm really tempted. Got paint on my hands, I wonder where it came from. To just have some fun. I see I want a whole bunch more. This is the Artist Loft Cobalt Blue. I want to go, not really, every time I say it. I really want some orange. I guess I can't help myself. Maybe some of this. I'm almost out. This was a tangerine metallic. I don't think a little bit of it's going to hurt anything. If I can get anything out of it at all. Yes. Yeah, I kind of like that. Today's been a strange day where I've added colors I wasn't expecting to. That's a bubble. I usually torch. I should torch again right now. I see I have a whole lot more white over here. Than I do over here. And a whole lot more gold, and so I'm going to remedy that right now. Maybe not quite as well as I was hoping. My original idea was to add a shovelful and then swipe through I think what I want is to add some more black in here because I kind of like that over there now. I just did the dribble. I don't like the dribbles. I don't mind the areas with copious black, but I don't like the little tails that dribble. If I had and I do have a edge catcher, I could let it go all the way to the edge. Before sending it back down again. And I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen to this yet. I'm still thinking about swiping, but maybe with a small tool instead of a large one. Maybe my long skinny one. I want some paint down there. Where can I get it? I know. All right, I hope I don't ruin this. I really, really do. I am going to go for the white. And I think I'm going to do this really strangely. At least once. I'm going to try the white and the purple. The white has Amsterdam. White added to Aussie Floetrol. I think I get a better reaction when I apply the cell activator right to my swipe card. I'm going to use a skewer today. My paint layer underneath is very, very fresh. So I want to make sure if I have any places I need to cover, I should do that. Well, if I didn't love those cells so much, I would probably just stick to the skewer, but looks like a really, really strange, very pretty haunted tree to me right now. I'm going to grab a different swipe tool. These are my acetate swipe tools. I made them, and there is an acetate tool, swipe tool, yeah, redundant, tutorial. And they are fun to use. I may tip again. They're fun to use even if you're not putting down Aussie cell activator because you can use the edges of them to do some really neat shapes or draw curvy lines, basically. Just pull colors. Can even pick up a little bit. Put it down. It's kind of cool I left that gold down here because that means I can pollute it with some cool marks made with my little tool, which I definitely want to deposit, clean off, and use cell activator on. The bigger one might be fun too. Whoops, things are flying. Had a nice deposit of paint on that. Got to be careful it doesn't get suctioned to the surface of the canvas. That's the only real danger I can think of. I forget I found a nice break for my turntable, and if I don't remember, that it's there, I can't turn things very easily. I want to just keep going down. Dragging things around. I may do a little more skewer work. I like the fatter lines and the thinner lines, and I like stealing some paint from one place and putting it down on the other. These are great for covering the edges too. I should show you, in the video you'll see a lot of different shapes. It's nice that the edge is thin because it doesn't really usually mix the colors too badly. As in, it doesn't make mud unless you're not careful. Alright, I'm moving on. This is really cool. I'm having a ball. Thank you guys for joining me. If you're interested in more videos, check out my YouTube channel for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Look underneath the video for my paint pouring recipe. I'm having too much fun. I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted and I'm not talking to you as much as I usually would. If you want to give me a hand, you could shop my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. The link tree is going to be the second blue link under this video, as long as I remember to put the tool video on. If you notice it's not there, the tool video, please mention it to me and I'll make sure it gets added. I really could add some more pink, but I'm loving how these colors are going together. And the stripey, it's pretty psychedelic. But it's got just enough cells to be bloom-esque. That's not a word. Well, maybe it is. It is now. I'm trying to be patient and let the paint that's pretty colors that's on the edge of my tool relax off, but it's really hard to wait. I think if you had more time... Oh, I got a white heart. I like it. I'm not sure how much more I want to do. I have to do something on this end for sure to add some balance. And I want a little bit more blue right there. Love those little curves. And joining up my little lines and weaving them behind, in front of and behind everything else. This is so cool. I'm loving this. I hope you like this as much as I do. I'm having a really good time. Thank you guys for being here. If you want to have an opportunity to win a painting, check out what I'm offering in the monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video, which I try and remember to include on the end screen of every video, but it will be at least on the most recent ones if I don't get around to it. They'll let me bulk edit, but only like 2,000 at a time, and I have 2,300, which makes it interesting because there's glitches in the system that don't allow for people like me. I should stay away from this end. I should switch sides and show you what I've been up to, although I really want pink line there. I might want to do more lines like that. I'm going to run out of time. There. Yeah, my internal sensor is telling me true. I've got 2 minutes to ask you guys, can you give me a thumbs up? I would really appreciate it. And if you watch the videos longer, you help me out. If you watch the commercials, you help me out. If you shop my Amazon link, you can shop anything on my Amazon from my Amazon link. And eventually it helps me buy art supplies, which keeps me making video tutorials for you. So if you appreciate what I do, that's a great way to help. Doing your Amazon link shopping. Just weave that puppy back and forth. I'm having too much fun. I think I said that like 3 times now. I think I'm very close to being done. I want a little bit more right in here. And then I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I don't think I need anything else. This is a really good example of what you can do with these tools. Come on, let go of your payload. I love you guys. Hope you come again. I have, if you go to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, you'll find like those 2,200 videos. And someday maybe 2,300 videos. Because they're there, they're just not aired yet. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I'd love to help you. If you need a link, I have everything saved by topic and genre as far as playlists go. I am very happy. 99%. I want to change that right there. Ooh, another heart. Cool! Ha! I don't mind that one pink line. I do mind paint chips in my artwork. I'm going to torch really quick. I'm going to tell you Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Gallerist Clothing Made in Montreal are all on my link tree underneath the video. Second link, I think I said the first link was going to be, whoops, set the timer for 1 minute too long. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I do sell my artwork. My email address is easpb, like in Priscilla Batzell, at easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. And you can inquire about private lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or you can inquire about the price of a painting or anything else. Happy to answer your questions. I think I said that. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is a student group on Facebook for students. Yes, I'm redundant today. Let's try. Oh, I wanted to zoom in there so badly. This is gorgeous. I totally love this. And you're going to be gone so soon. I don't think you can fully appreciate this in the video form. But up close, it's wonderful. Maybe the thumbnail will show you how gorgeous it is. Anyway.